Words have the power to inspire, to motivate, and to change lives. Today, we delve into some of the most profound quotes from visionaries who have shaped our world. Let's begin. Albert Einstein reminds us of the limitless power of imagination. With his quote, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world." Maya Angelou emphasizes the lasting impact of emotions and the importance of kindness with her quote, "I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel." Gandhi's call to action challenges us to take responsibility for the world we want to create. With his quote, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world." Steve Jobs, with just 2 words, encapsulated the essence of innovation with his quote, "Think different." Malala's resilience and advocacy for education show us the power of determination with her quote, "One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world." Let these words resonate with you. Reflect on them, apply them, and inspire others. Thank you for watching.